Congrats, your new Grizzly has arrived. Your new e-bike has shipped to your home with some assembly required, but nearly everything you need to build it is included. To build your Grizzly, you'll need an hour and a half of free time, the included toolkit, scissors or wire cutters, a tire pump, and a friend. When you first open the box, you'll find 3 smaller boxes at the top. One will contain the charger for the down tube battery, the next will contain your headlight, and the third box will contain pedals, passenger pegs, touch-up paints, hardware for assembly, a registration card, a user manual, a toolkit, and the charger for the rear battery. Your toolkit will contain the wrenches and hex keys needed to build your new Grizzly. Start by removing the entire e-bike from the box. This is where a friend will come in handy. Take care not to damage the bike while removing it from the box, and keep the box intact in case an unexpected return needs to be made. Put down the kickstand, remove the bubble wrap, and start cutting off foam. But leave the front wheel and handlebars attached for now. Take special care not to scratch the paint or cut any wires, especially the front brake hose. Now remove the front brake caliper from the front wheel and gently put it to the side. Loosen the steering stem bolts and rotate the stem to the forward position. Once you're happy with the alignment, tighten the stem bolts and the stem cap bolt. All bolts should be tightened in accordance with the torque specifications listed in the user manual. Remove the handlebar clamp plate. Now cut the zip ties securing the handlebars in foam padding and mount the handlebars centered and parallel with the fork tubes. Now remove the torque arm bolts and the cross bolt used to secure the fork legs and pull out the front wheel assembly. Now gently flip the bike upside down onto a rug, cardboard, or some other soft surface. Install the front wheel, ensuring the motor cable runs toward the bottom of the fork leg, and note the orientation of the offset hole on the torque arm. Install the torque arm first, then the spacer washer, and then the nut. Before tightening the axle nuts, install and tighten the torque arm bolt. Now tighten the axle nuts. Join the motor cable connector, ensuring the cable runs along the back of the fork leg, and remove additional slack. Now remove the plastic spacer from the brake caliper and install the caliper on the fork leg, ensuring the brake disc is between the brake pads. Tighten the adapter mounting bolts, then align the caliper by loosening the caliper mounting bolts, squeezing the front brake, and tightening the bolts while still holding the brake. If the front brake still drags, you may want to backlight the caliper and manually adjust the caliper position until minimal dragging occurs when you spin the tire. Attach the pedals using a hex key or a wrench, keeping in mind that the right pedal will be reverse threaded. Now flip the bike back on its wheels and attach the passenger pegs. Install the front fender using the long bolt from the bag of included hardware. Now install the headlight using the included hardware. Align the headlight so the face sits perpendicular to the ground. Align the indicator arrows and match all the color-coded connectors to each other. Align and tighten the LED display. Before you ride, take a moment to check the alignment of your handlebars, inflate both tires to 30 psi, and double check the tightness of all the nuts and bolts. Follow the brake bedding procedure outlined in our other Ariel rider tech video, and enjoy your new Grizzly.